I'm Tom Berg, and we're in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania at the headquarters of Hyliion Incorporated, which has developed a powered tandem for trailers. Thomas Healy is CEO. He's going to explain to us what we all have here.
So we've got a normal tandem from underneath the trailer, but now we have a battery pack, a control system, and an electric motor tapped into a drive axle, so we can actually start powering the rear wheels so that we save you 30% on fuel. So when the vehicle is slowing down or going downhill, we're able to capture that wasted energy and store it in the battery pack. And then when the vehicle goes to accelerate or hits an uphill, we can now actually start driving the rear wheels on the trailer.
It applies power and it holds the truck back while it's regenerating, producing electricity. So I think it's a great concept. If it proves to be reliable, long-lived, low maintenance, I don't see how it can miss for a lot of applications.
Can you give us, you not only drove the truck, but you also sat in the back of the 18-wheeler and watched the displays where you could actually see the fuel rate and the fuel economy of the truck. Can you walk us through a little bit about what you saw?
Well, I noticed that when power was not coming from the trailer, the tractor obviously was using more fuel. The numbers I saw were 22 or so gallons per hour. When power in climbing grades, when power was coming from the trailer, it dropped way down. It dropped down to half of that, sometimes less. So obviously the thing is doing its job.
So on the run we just went on, we saw about a 25% fuel savings solely from the hybrid technology. But the neat thing with this is we're able to incorporate a lot of extra features. So as you mentioned, the APU, advanced aerodynamics. So all of these come in a one package solution. Our fleet testing begins in the next couple of months here. So at the latter end of 2016, we'll be testing with fleets on the road. We've already had multiple units out on the road on our own trucks and trailers. And then in beginning of 2017, we'll start short run production. And then going into the middle half of 17, we'll start outsourced production for larger quantities. We're going to actually start taking orders pretty soon here towards the end of this year. This way we'll already start to have fleets in the pipeline, so that those fleets will have the first available units. So right now it's a $500 a month lease. So $500 a month, but we're saving you $1,300 a month in fuel. So even while paying off the lease, it's saving you $800.